Hello! We are about to start and enter the year of the wooden snake. Are you curious what this year is going to bring to you?
Well, for sure we know it's going to be a big year. A year of a lot of potential for transformation and change.
Just think about the snake. The snake is leaving its old skin behind and to let go of what doesn't serve anymore. To leave behind whatever she has outgrown.
And to start anew.
And to start anew, exactly. So this is the energy of 25. Just in one sentence.
In one sentence. We are going to offer you an online retreat called Weave Your Dream Life. And we're going to help you to anchor your own energy, because when there's a lot of change, it's important to stay centered and get tools to do that. But also to use these energies of the new year for your advantage. That's what we're going to do during this online retreat.
Yeah, and we're going to guide you through ceremonies, through visualizations, a shamanic journey to help you decide what it is that you want to shed and what you want to keep.
You can tap into these dreams and longings you have, and we're going to give you more information about the energy of this new year.
So that you can work with the energies of the new year to make your life, your dreams come true, instead of going against the stream.
Surf the waves instead of going against it.
Exactly.
We would love to guide you on this sacred journey. You can find information and registration link here below.
Or in the bio.
See you soon on the 2nd of February in the morning from 2 to 1 CET.
See you there. Bye bye.
Bye.